Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set USB insertion animation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Present dynamic effects. Here you can see the option of USB insertion animation. Press on this. Now here you can see different type of USB insertion animation. You have to select one of them depending on your needs. After choosing your insertion animation, you have to press on apply. That's it. So this is how to set USB insertion animation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.